I'll be making butter, homemade butter, because I love butter. And if I could name everything butter, I would. Because what is better than butter? Nothing. Even the name butter sounds buttery and beautiful. Butter. This recipe is super, super easy. I'm surprised at how easy it is. You need two things. So you need heavy cream, and then you need a mason jar. This is an 8-ounce mason jar. If you have something larger, I highly recommend going with a larger mason jar. It's a little trick. It cuts down the shake time because you're gonna be shaking this, and unless you want elbows of steel, go with a larger mason jar. All right, let's get started. Oh, and another trick. So I was watching this YouTube tutorial on how to make butter, and the guy highly, highly recommended not using it straight out of the refrigerator where it's like super cold, because that will just increase your shaking time, and you don't want to be standing there shaking your mason jar for like 20 minutes, right? So leave it out for maybe about like, I don't know, an hour-ish. That sounds good to me, without having it like full of bacteria. Just not as cold, and then it'll cut down your shake time dramatically. So let's see if that's true. All right, guys, so I am opening my carton of heavy cream. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to pour, oh, it's a shake well, shake well. All right, so you want to shake well before you pour it out. Shake, shake, shake. This is requiring a lot of shaking. So you want to shake pre-mason jar, and you want to shake during the mason jar. A lot of shaking, guys. Okay, should I shake some more? Why not? We're in a shaking mood today. Let's shake some more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, I think that's pretty good. All right, so what you want to do, all the instructions that you're going to find online, they're going to recommend that you pour this halfway. But the guy that gave me the tip on using kind of warm, heavy cream, he recommended going below the half mark line. It'll produce butter quicker. And so I like that idea. I'm gonna go with his recommendation. All right, so let's get a close up here. Oh, geez. So let's do a little above a quarter, okay? Did you guys see that? No, that's a half, a little above a quarter jar. I'm gonna wipe this because I always make a mess in the kitchen. So that was super easy. So you want to pour your heavy cream into your mason jar, and then you want to close the lid and make sure it's on tight, because you will be doing a lot of shaking. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add salt in here. I don't know, just use your own judgment. Oh God, I am so not the best cooking instructor. Do whatever you feel like. Add some salt. Maybe a pinch, I don't know, two pinches. Okay, if you want salted butter. I purchased unsalted butter, so I'm not even gonna put salt in here. All right, so then what you wanna do is you wanna shake for, I don't know, it says 20 minutes. That scares me. But you wanna shake, okay. Shake, shake, shake. So right now you hear liquid. And according to the instructions, when you shake long enough, you're gonna start hearing solidified curds hitting against the jar. Good thing I've been working out. Okay, a lot of these recipes say, oh, it's gonna be super fun to do with kids. I don't know what kind of children they're referring to. Children will not find this fun. They will have tired out by now already. I'm gonna save this arm because I think I'm gonna need it. So there's two methods of making homemade butter. It's the mason jar way, and then there's the food processor. And of course, I chose the most difficult way, the mason jar way, because I was just curious. I thought, oh my God, without like machines, you can just make it in a jar? What if I'm stranded in the wilderness and I want butter? Like I need butter when I'm stranded out in the wilderness. I have a jar, and I don't know, maybe I can find a cow somewhere and get some cream, organic cream. Voila, I would know how to make butter to like spread on grass or something. Okay. Whew. This is a workout. Ooh. Does it help if I jump up and down with it?
Jump around! Jump around! Jump around! Jump up and get down!
butter, talk to me. Say something to me. If you don't communicate, how will I know? Communication is key in everything, including butter. Ah, something's happening. I don't hear anything. Oh, it's quiet. They didn't say it was gonna be quiet. How do I look? Oh, there's no way, seriously, that you can look attractive doing this. Ooh. I am determined to make this butter so I can say in my lifetime that I made homemade butter. I am so tempted to just open this jar and take a peek, but I know that's just totally gonna kill the process. I'm actually out of breath. Now, if I took a break, would that like pause the, oh, something changed. Oh my God. I can tell something's changing, something's happening in here. I don't hear the liquid hitting against the jar as much. Oh my God, this is amazing. I feel like I'm in science class as I'm shaking this jar. Oh my God, it looks different. I just quickly saw. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, so freaking cool that I am shaking a mason jar like a crazy woman in my kitchen just to get a block of butter. Oh my God, guys, I think I have butter. Oh my, this is amazing. This is like magic. I'm gonna keep shaking just to make sure that it solidifies as much as possible. I think I did it. I think I have butter. Butter in a jar. All right, so let's open it. Oh my God! Check this out. Can you guys see this? This is beautiful whipped butter. Oh, it smells so delicious. All right, so you can add lavender, thyme, rosemary, whatever you want to make it kind of like gourmet butter. You can even add honey. I'm gonna do honey. I love this honey, by the way. It's called Really Raw Honey. Check out this honey. Look at this. So you've got the honeycomb and the propolis and pollen right on top, and it's just chewy and just like gummy, and it's just, oh my God, it's just amazing on your taste buds. It's so good. I love this honey. So guys, if you have a jar like this is a yogurt jar that I saved. I saved it because it's so pretty. Look at the color. I'm gonna put butter in here. So put butter in like a little jar like this, okay? Oh my God. I mean, this is just pure, beautiful whipped butter. The camera just cannot catch the texture of this butter, but this is literally whipped butter, one of my favorite types of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, can you guys see this? I mean, okay, I'm just gonna move in closer. This is just beautiful butter. Oh my God. Oh, this is just heavenly. And again, you can make this salted if you want salted butter. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you see that? And I'm just gonna make it pretty in there and just fill it. You see that? Oh my gosh, this looks heavenly. Oh, wow. Okay, how beautiful is this? I'm so excited. It's stuff like this that gets me really, really excited. All right, so we've got my butter, my honey, and I've got my sourdough bread here. Let's try it. Oh, really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try it with honey. All right, I've got my honey. Oh my God, this butter is so buttery. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter. Okay. Mmm. Holy mother. This is fantastic. Oh my God. I can get addicted to this. Oh my God. Guys, you have to try this. Oh, it is delicious. Mmm. Friends, you're all getting butter next Christmas. For your birthday, for your congratulations, for any special occasion. Now you know. Whenever you see butter, it's from me.